Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the device unlocked and your screen active. Enter your PIN if prompted. First, open Settings and go to System or About Phone. Layouts vary by manufacturer. Once there, find Build Number or the Developer Options menu. If you see only Build Number, tap it repeatedly to confirm status. If Developer Options is visible, tap it to enter. You're starting the reversal process now, so don't skip locating the exact menu. This is where you'll turn the feature off. Once inside Developer Options, flip the master toggle at the top to off. This immediately disables most developer features. Make sure to also scroll down and disable USB debugging and revoke any app authorizations to prevent background access. If the page lacks a single toggle, use Settings Search for Developer Options, or go to Apps right arrow Show System Apps right arrow Settings Storage and clear data to hide it. These steps remove elevated access and unwind changes made while developer mode was active, improving security. After toggling off, reboot your phone to ensure all services restart without developer flags active. This prevents residual processes from continuing. When it restarts, open Settings and confirm Developer Options no longer appears. Test by plugging USB to check that USB debugging prompts don't appear. If Developer Options still shows or behavior persists, clear the Settings app cache and data. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. That troubleshooting tip fixes stubborn cases without missing steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.